The government of Zimbabwe has recommended that people with flu-like symptoms wear masks and seek early medical assistance. Sanapina mashoko aiwa zvinosirisa kuti munyika yeZimbabwe pava outbreak yeflu ingakuda kungoita secoronavirus but haisi zvayo nokuda kwevanhu vakadzifambira madoctors vanoda coronavirus but pane outbreak yeflu. Sanapina mashoko ataurwa negovernment panhau iyi neministry of health noti subscribe like otina on the bell icon. Notomanyogwa muchinzi Deputy Minister of Health and Child Care Kwidini told the Chronicle that the country is not experiencing a flu outbreak, but those flu-like symptoms should wear face masks in public places, he said. We encourage those with flu-like symptoms to mask up in schools and at the workplace. It's not like an outbreak. We are in winter and expect such cases. Everything is under control and people should not be worried. We also encourage people to stay hydrated by taking lots of fluids and taking over-the-counter common cold remedies. Mpilo Central Hospital Clinical Director Professor Sowayongwenya warned that as the country approaches the peak of winter season, cases of flu will increase, he said. It is good to note that people are responding well to this flu and most seem to be masking up willingly. This is a great indicator that people remember the COVID-19 campaigns and are still adhering to them. Saka ndo yatiri kuona awareness tiri kuti aiwa musanyanya kushika zviri muchiti coronavirus panyaya kuti vanhu vari muwinda. Saka muri Zimbabwe this flu iri severe iri kubata vanhu vazhinji asi zviri kunzi kana munhu wakabatwa neflu iyi zviri nani ugare mumba kana kumaska up. Saka muri Zimbabwe ndozvamuri kuudzwa the Ministry of Health and Child Care. Saka chimbotudzai mafungiro enyu pinai mucomment section memusangano subscribe like channel turn on the bell icon.